In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a group email in Outlook. This method is perfect if you regularly send emails to the same group of people, whether it's your project team, clients, family members, or any other recurring group. Instead of manually adding each person's email address every single time, you can create a contact group and send to everyone with just one click. This saves a huge amount of time, especially if you're managing multiple teams or projects. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook and look at the left navigation pane at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several icons there. Click on the People icon, which may also be labeled as Contacts depending on your version of Outlook. This will take you to your Contacts view where you manage all your email addresses and contact information. Once you're in the Contacts or People view, look for the New Contact button at the top of the screen. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that drop-down arrow to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu, select New Contact Group. In some versions of Outlook, this option may be called New Contact List instead, but the functionality is exactly the same. A new window will now open for your contact group. The first thing you need to do is give your group a descriptive name. In the name field at the top, type something clear like project team, marketing group, family, or whatever best describes the people you're adding. Choose a name that makes sense so you can easily find and use this group later. Now it's time to add members to your group. Click the Add Members button, which you'll find in the ribbon at the top of the Contact Group window. When you click it, you'll see options to add members from different sources. Choose to add from your Outlook contacts or your address book, depending on where your contacts are stored. This will open a new window, showing all your available contacts. Browse through the list and select each person you want to add to the group. You can hold down the Control key on your keyboard to select multiple people at once. Once you've selected everyone you need, click the OK button at the bottom of the window. The selected contacts will now appear as members of your group. You can repeat this process to add more members if needed, or you can add new email addresses manually if someone isn't already in your contacts. Once you're satisfied with your group and all the members have been added, click Save and Close at the top left of the Contact Group window. Your group is now saved and ready to use. From now on, whenever you want to send an email to this entire group, just start typing the group name in the To field of a new email, and Outlook will autofill it. When you send the email, it will go to everyone in that group automatically, and that's it. You've successfully created a group email in Outlook and can now save time by emailing multiple people with just one click. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.